Yes, good morning class 10th. Now in continuation of statistics chapter, this is the second video of the statistics chapter. Now we have to solve exercise question from 14.1. So NCERT, from your NCERT book, exercise 14.1, question 1. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. So again we have to find the mean, and we have to use the formula of x bar mean equals to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. We already discussed about the formula. So in this question one table is given, and in this table number of plants and number of houses also given. So we have to prepare a table on the board, and then we have to start the solution of the question. So in this question, the table, this is the question 1 from 14.1. So make a table. Yes, first column, that is number of plants. Number of plants. These are 0 to 2, 2 to 4 in the order of 12 to 14. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, and 12 to 14 is the last class interval. Then frequency. Fi, frequency 1 to 1 5, 1 to 1 5, 6 to 3. Now the next column, class mark, xi. The next column we have to prepare class mark xi. Now yes, so next column class mark as xi. So how can we find the class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. The class mark xi is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. In each and every class, the lower limit 0, and in the first class it is 0. The upper limit is 2. So 2 divided by 2 means 1. So class mark is 1. In similar way, we have to find class mark of the second class interval, that is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. These are the class mark. So you have to find class mark of each and every class interval from the formula of lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay. Now when fi and xi is here, then we have to find fi multiply xi. So multiply 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 5, 5 into 7, 6 into 9, 2 into 11, 3 into 13. So we have to find fi xi. Okay. Now we have to require sigma fi. Sigma fi is 1 plus 2 3 4 plus 5 9 plus 6 15 and 5 20. Now sigma fi xi means total of the values. 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 35. So sum of these values become 162. Now we have to find mean. So mean x bar equals to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi is 162 divided by 20. 2 10 ja 20, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2. Now it is 8.1. So mean x bar is 8.1. So the question is asking about the number of plants. Find the mean number of plants per house. So we have to find 8.1 is the mean number of plants in per house. Okay. Now second question, same as question 1. So this is your homework question. Now come to the question 3. Question 3. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. Now in this question, mean pocket allowance means mean of the question is already given in the question, but one value is not given, one frequency is missing here, and that frequency is f, represented by f. So we have to find that frequency. Okay, so we have to find the value of this frequency. So prepare a table in question 3. Daily pocket allowance. Second column, frequency, means number of children, that is frequency fi. Then third column, as usual, class mark xi. Now the different classes are 11 to 13, 13 to 15, up to 25. So 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25. This is the last class interval. Number of frequencies 7, 6, 9, 7, 6, 9, 13, F54, F54. Now first we have to find xi, class mark. So 11 plus 13 upon 2 means 12. 13 plus 15 upon 2, 14. So use the pattern 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and last 24. So use the pattern because 12, 14, so 2 plus 4 plus 2, that's why the next class है class mark 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Now we have to find fi into xi, fi xi, the product of frequency and variable. 12 into 7, 84, 14 into 6, 9 into 16, now the next one, 13 into 18, f into 20, that is 20f, 5 into 22, 110, and 24 into 4, 96. So now sigma fi, summation of the values 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 except 5 plus 5 plus 4 except f 5 plus 4. So sum of the number is 44 plus f. ओके, सो ये सर्किल इसीलिए किया, इसको आपको अलग से लिखना है, सेपरेट. नाउ सिग्मा एफ आई एक्स आई. नाउ अगेन 20f written separate. So addition of these numbers 84, again 84, 144, 234, 110 and 96, that is 752 plus 20f. Now mean plant mean wages or allowance x bar is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, but mean of the question is also given, that is 18. So 18 equals to 752 plus 20f upon 44 plus f. 18 means that is 18 upon 1. Now do the cross multiplication. So 18 into 44 plus f equals to 752 plus 20f. Now 44 into 18 become 792 plus 18f 752 plus 20f. Now shifting 18f minus 20f equals to 752 minus 792. So minus 2f is equals to 0. 9 minus 5 4, that's why minus 40, and f become minus cancel with minus, 40 divided by 2, so frequency is 20. So the missing frequency which is not given in this question, that is 20. So see, 18 multiplied by the 44 plus f, it becomes 792 plus 18f equals to 752 plus 20f. This is multiplied by 1, so the same. Now shifting the numbers, 18f minus 20f equals to 752 minus 792. Okay, so variable numbers are on left side and the constant are on the right side. Now we have to subtract, that is minus 2f, it minus 40, minus cancel with each other, that's why f become 20. So this is the missing frequency. Is it clear? Now next question, question 4, same, 5 is also same, and question 6. Now come to the question 7. Otherwise these questions are not different. Yes, question 7. Okay, first we take it question number 5. Now in question 5, in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. One table is given, number of mangoes is class interval starting from 50, 50 to 52, 53 to 55 likewise, and number of boxes 15, 110 means frequency. So question 5 is quite different from question 1, 2, 3, 4 because of in question 1, 2, 3 and 4, all class intervals are continuous class. See, in question 1, the first class, that is 0 to 2, second class 2 to 4, means first class where the first class end, the next class is starting from the same number. In same pattern followed in question 2, 3 and 4. In question 2, 100 to 120 is the first class, but the second class is 120 to 140, third class 140 to 160. It means in continuation. Third is same, fourth is also same, but in question 5, that is not same. First class is 50 to 52, but the second class 53 to 55. Means first class ending with the number 52, but the second class not start with 52, it will start from 53. Okay, now first class 50 to 52, second class 53 to 55. So some questions, whenever the class intervals are different or it's not in continuation order, so we have to follow the same pattern. We have not make it continuous. We follow the same pattern as per question 1 and 3 जैसे अभी हमने किए उसी तरह से हम करेंगे. ओके, तो उसको देखकर आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि वहाँ क्लासेस कंटिन्यूएशन में नहीं है. सो नंबर ऑफ क्लास number of mangoes (52, 52 to 64), 52, 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64. Number of boxes FI 15, 110, 135, 115 and 25. Now we have to find class mark XI. So 50 plus 52 upon 2. 50 plus 52 upon 2, that is 51. 53 plus 55 upon 2, that is 54. Likewise 57, 60, 63. Okay, 51, 54, 57, 60 and 63. Now we have to find FI, XI. Multiplication of the numbers FI and XI. 15 into 51, that is 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75, 176. Now 54, so 0 is here. 54 ones are 54, 54 ones are 54 plus 5 means 59. Now 135 into 57, so 135 into 57. Seven, 6, 9, 5. Now 115 into 60, so 0 is here. 6 5s are 30, 6 1 6 3 9, 6 1 6. 25 3 are 75, 25 6 are 150 and 7, so 157. Now we have to find summation of F5, 5 plus 5 0 plus 5 10 15 20, 2 plus 1 3 4 3 7 8 9 10, 1 plus 1 2 3 4, that is 400. So summation of frequency, that is 400. Now we have to find sigma Fi xi. 5 plus 0 plus 5 10 15, 1 plus 6 plus 4 10, 19, carry 1 20, and then 27. 2 plus 7 9 plus 9 18, 6 24, 9 33, 5 38, 3 plus 5 8, 7 15, 21 22. Now mean x bar sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi. So 22875 divided by 400. So divide by only 5. Okay. So mean x bar is, when we have to divide 22,875 by this number, this is 57.19. Is it clear? So class 10, solve these questions and try to question 6 to 9. In our next recording हम क्वेश्चन 6 to 9 में भी different questions लेंगे. Okay. If you have any problem, please write on the comment box and try to question 6 to 9. Okay. Now like, share and subscribe channel. Thank you.